Here is a fast, user-friendly, and effective solution to repair files of different formats on your Mac. The application has an excellent success rate and can repair multiple documents via batch processing by following a 3-step process. Upload the files to be repaired on your Mac. Repair the loaded files via Repairit. Preview and export your repaired files on Mac. Step 1. Upload the files to be repaired on your Mac. Launch Wondershare Repairit on your Mac and visit the More Types Repair section from the sidebar, then choose File Repair. Subsequently, you can click on the +Add button to import the corrupted documents to be repaired from your Mac. If you want, you can also simply drag and drop your damaged files directly on the interface of Repairit. Note: since Repairit supports batch processing, you can upload and repair multiple documents of different formats simultaneously. Once your documents are uploaded on Repairit, you can check their details. For instance, you can check their name, size, and location on Repairit. The interface also features dedicated icons to depict different file types, like Word, PDF, Excel, and PowerPoint. If you want, you can remove any file by clicking on the trash icon adjacent to its details, or can click on the Remove All button from the bottom to delete all the loaded files. Also, you can click on the Add Files button from the bottom to upload more documents on Repairit. Step 2. Repair the loaded files via Repairit. Now you can simply click on the Repair button and wait for a while. The application will start scanning and repairing the loaded documents and display the results of the repair process on the screen as well. If you want to halt the process in between, then you can choose to cancel the repair process from here. When the files have been scanned and repaired successfully completed by Repairit, you will be notified regarding their status. In case the file was severely corrupted, then the application will let you know about it as well. You can choose to contact an expert from here to repair your severely corrupted documents by manually uploading them and describing the exact problem in detail. Step 3. Preview and export the repaired files on Mac. After successfully repairing the loaded documents, Repairit will display their results. You can click on the Preview button adjacent to a file's icon to check it beforehand. If you are satisfied with the results, then you can click on the Save button from the bottom panel of the Preview window and choose a location on your Mac to save them. In the end, Repairit will let you know that your documents have been saved to the designated location.